So you may have some screenshots or pictures of programming codes. In that case, you can actually go ahead and use Kimi to convert those screenshots to code as well. So to do that, you can simply go ahead and click on the file upload button right here. And once you go ahead and do that, my Explorer window opens up where I can go ahead and select my particular screenshot. So I'm just going to go around over here and then get my programming screenshot right here. This is the one. And if I were to actually go ahead and open this up right here, then I will be able to see programming code for this one. So let's just go ahead and open this up. So once I go ahead and open this up, you can see that I see this code right here, totally in JPG format. So I cannot edit this. So I'm just going to go around over here and open it out in Kimi and tell it. So this is uploading right here. So now what I'm going to do is say, now give me the code from this image right here, just like this. So I can simply go ahead and type in this prompt and then hit the send button. And then what it will do is it will analyze out that particular screenshot and then will give me the code right here, just like this, as you can see. And that is how you can extract code from screenshot inside of Kimi. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.